Huh? Okay, that's your name, Zaid. Name is there? Okay, let's get inside. Let's get inside. No, it's exit entry here. Okay. Here. Go that side. Let's get inside. Put it on your... Yeah. Put it there. Wait, you're so excited.
Yeah.
Papa will wait. Papa will wait. Sige. Okay.
You miss Daddy, ah?
Yeah, Baba's boy.
You have slides tomorrow.
Okay. It's hard, baby. Too much balls. Okay, go. Go up. Okay, now Zido, slide. Okay. Which one you want to slide? Yay! Oh, the other color. Okay. Okay, go up again.
You should have told him no kicking.
Okay, go slide. Shee! Wee! Wait, so wait. Wait.
Kick the ball, Mara.
Wait. Zito. Oh my gosh, I'm not. Not yet. Zito. He wants to jump. It's okay, do not remove. Mama will wait here, huh? Wait. Okay, Zito, slide. Yay. Look at the ball, oh. Look the ball. The balls are flying, look. Yes. The yellow one. Look at the girl, look at. And then the pink one, the yellow, and the other yellow. Okay, it's fine. And we'll go to the trampoline, dali. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Sit down. There's a ball also. Basketball. 1, 2, 3. Ching. Jump. Ching, sit down. Again. Oh, sige, the green one. Sige. 2, 3. No? Okay. Inside. So much fun. Let's take a ride. Mama is here. Okay, go. Where are you going? Wait for Mama. What else? Okay, go slide. There, go slide. Wait. Sige, Zido, sige. Go slide. Zido, wait, go slide. Come back here. Mama, slide. Come here. Zaid. Okay. Finished? I did not see it. Again. Let me see. Baba. What happened to the... Okay, put another one. Hey, going up. Oh, it's there. And then down. Again. Sige. Hey. Sige. Again. Hey. Oh my gosh. More. Put more. Oh. Sige. Let's get inside. Open the door. Let's get inside. Where are you going? Go up. More. Up. Up. There. We're done here. We try the upper one. Trampoline is there. Here. Go up. Sige. Sige, go there. It's okay. Sige, go up. Sige, Zido up. Got there, sorry. Slowly. Where are you going? That one is very, what is this? High. It's very high. And here lang there. Go there. This one slide. It's very high, I think.
No, this slide.
No, this one? You want that one? No, not high. Only here. From here and then here. Sige. Sige, go. Sige. Mama will look here. Okay. When Zido? Here, ding. There's another bridge here. Okay, come here. Come here. You can do it.
For you later. She will give it to you then.
When? What else? Here. How about here? Zido, the tunnel here. Have you tried this one? Here?
Go. There's slide. It's there already. Okay. It's a bear face.
Sige. Go there and then going to the slide.
Let him.
Okay.
Let him destroy it.
Okay, come back here. You want to slide? Sige, go slide. Mama is waiting. Zido! Zaid! Mama is here. Zaid, here. Mama will go down. Or the other bridge there, oh. The other bridge is there. Here. Where are you going? Yeah, Mama is here. What? You want to slide again? Which one? The small slide? I think there's another one here. Here, let's go the other side there. Let's go the other side. Here. Here. Or no, maybe we go down. Down here, down. We'll go down. Here. Wait for Mama. Okay, there. Again. Okay. Yes, wait. Mama and Zido. Zido, where you want? Here or? Okay, and then Mama here. Sige? No, Zido and Mama. Together. Sige, wait. Okay, Zido, wait. Here. Zido this side and Mama the other side, okay? Wait. We'll go there, okay? Wait. I am sweating. Okay, ready? Go. Ay, wait, the boy is there. Sige. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Go. Yes. Zido will go up. Okay, Mama will wait here, okay? slide. Go slide. Here's coming. Where is Zaid? Zaid is here. Finished?